Hello, my friends, my brother and sister. Today is the Friday's afternoon. I want to come and read for you the Bible in the Deuteronomy chapter 1. Okay, verse starting to 9. Hello, you double little clitted. Nia yero he panet coli so she tabatobacaro. Lee yemusi a shadow to a shapo qui pegasalo queenilo. Okay, here it is starting. Okay. Pagdera mala paini pagasalo. Devra dile. At the time I said to you, you are too heavy and burdened for me to carry alone. The Lord your God has increased your numbers so that today you are as many as the star in the sky. Okay? Away nigga to where at the miller a popcorn nigga to where the do a certain penny you could do that do yes see devra okay do yes see teda taga ho yes to the thiba teda ho yes to the thiba you are the casane ma atoli tuli do quaqua lemon satani e qua lemon satani tu o agale de munko asau po atunilo tu o agale le munko asau po atunilo. May the Lord, more kasaywa, more kasaywa. The God of your father, Penny, tupa akasa, okay, tupa akasa, increase you 1,000 times and bless you as he has promised. Pagdana penny ni, katuara tatami devra pay lo. Mo yua tu pa akasane ma ato tu asa takato do sugi tu de asi ta atoniki. Okay. Bless you as he has promised. But how can I build your problems and your burden and your disputes all by myself? Paniro pakropatu patalo katuera tatamila ataumupuni painted tuta wita you do tuta so tale. Okay, tawuta tasutale do tulu koni yeda tega ho yesu katidile yeda yedega ho kasuditi thiba. Choose some wise understand. Bagitan mahuta poala ke bagitan poala udo atakuti the anapada standing and respect man bagitan mala poala yo pake respect man udo ta yo pake pene bagite ordine tulo hine pene ko ra la hine mo no hine poala akuta te do atasa do amihuta plar phala tudu to pakla niki do kapa do yakapa lo tu ko to palo amihuta pla. Okay, bagitana mala choose some wise understand and respect man from each of your tribe and I will send them over you. Okay, you answer me what your proposed to do is good. Susayama, dot to Susaya, dot see, Tala Nasitani, Hila Pamalo, a dera panicole, a Hila Pamalo. But then got our painted David. So I taught the leading man of your tribes, wise and respect man, and appointed them to have authority over you as commander of thousands, of hundreds, of 50, and of tens, and as tribal officer. Pagdema penny calicasini, cobra penilo. Devara, okay, away devara at our utane dilo. Do yeke hine to do the part a quarter part, while a good tea kuba do pala amihuta plata part do. Yapalo to quarter part, what a gato the part of Padagaya Kutapa. Okay, Padagaya Kutapa dog a year. See, Pagadanamaka, see a Kutapa. See a Kutapa dopwa. The see a Kutapa. Okay, yes, see could do a Kutapa dopwa quelly. Penny Paquelli the parlor to do the park, claro. Penny a clany Udo Paquelli, no penny tera Paque, no que Harane, Uesicolo. Pedro Bagatata Marsukunity Radile, and I charge your judge at the time. Here's the disputes between your brothers and just feel is whether the case is between brother Israel or between one of them and okay and alien. Bagatata Mala Bagatata between the double way, the Bagatata Puala, the Muthir Park. Do a sector penny Yamalu do Pasinio Quarpa, do yesi canata to dobu a busser, do signor tatola poatagado, a dobu a busser, Puggerma signor tatola poataga, a dobu a busser, do potacobo mu puller, Puggermala a udo on it, bach tre bacharo, potacobo mu pusico, power penny long. The sin winning quadrile 17 talk about here. Do not sow partiality and judging here both smell and grace alike. Do not be afraid of any man, for judgment belong to God. Bring me any case to house for you, and I will hear it. Bagdana away ni Krapatu Pata Tamila Patamupulo. Penitera. Tu tabakwa me, tu bakwa me dollar ta signor apu, te puba, tu ba kana pot si di po adu atunelo, do, okay, po asidi po atu atunelo, do tu ta pli po kanyo Ameriki, agidi ta signor ne me jua talo, do talo a ko kesu le tu menyane, hesu. Su yo do ye ka do kana yelo pina me ko me ke ta signolo ko ke ni hesurio do ye kana ni o somusi attack to lo. And at the time I told you everything you will to do. Pagita ma secretary pani do pagita ma la dollar secretary pani do yamalo tu le ke ye ta le pagita ma ke ye ta le tu ka ma ba khele lo pani pagita ma no. Tu kama bakhello. Leda no kudaro akatura dinetulo. Ke we blood away the show it up le quahutalo. Then Debrala as the Lord our God commanded us, we set out from Bagdamara Hor and went towards the hill country of the Ammonites through all the vast and dreadful disasters you have seen. And so we reach Cadence Bania. When it's sick on a pacropatu patal betam pulon. Can it tell a do pahatola hurry do paleta le pamugana paduni udo pagna padu padone pamugana padone udo tapli tap a loller 30 bow. Le po amu pu akasaka lo akle di jwa pagasa malo pa tuni do paleti le kadi no kadi bani le tu pani lo. Okay, let us know what our pain Tevra then I said to you Wulane yeteba tu mono Tevra yeteba tu you have reached the hill country of the Ammoni pani lo tu let you le Ammoni aware at the wabu but I didn't do this column. Rasibasu behead to le poa amopo akasakalo le jua pagasa hilopolo tena you akasani hilopo penny. Okay. Payro pagitera ma le manitimile. Okay. Penny devdala which the laws of our God is giving us. When I give it us down a hilopo. See, the Lord your God has given you the land. Penny qua. When you are Nagasa Hilona, Talota Clevenilo, okay, go up and taste position of it as the Lord, the God of your fathers, told you. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. Okay. Pagkita mala nadabalo plida ba. Okay. Nadabalo plida ba. Pane patinya sikode nito lo. Pane tevra dile kwa yua pakasani palo tiyo ko le nemenya lo. Le to mani o di yua na pa akasa sebana to nidki plida deki do tisalon nagi na bargi ne na balo plida ba tisalon nagi na bani ne telo ma ba tewe deni lo do pene tevra dile then all of you come to me and said pagiten malo tike le ne hello you oro teva mo no tewe deni lo le dan ko do tewe da let us man have to spy of the land for us and bring back a report about the road we are to take and the town we will come to. When it pekropatu patala tagi we siko kwa kiwe sikolom. Pay ni kwa ni kole bogo. Pay no. Do tu le budo ya ku gade do tu si pekaman lo poalele pemenya do aweti ka kwa ni kole bogo do pekale kle menu le pekale le we menu le ni kehe kisuni poala ta ka solo ta ka tulo pane ta ka tulo no sorry ta ka tulo ledan ko ra kisita temra the idea seems good to me pagitan mala ta sukumur khai ne me ba wala pane pagitan no do ta ka tu ne gile yemenya pane ko ra idea sidane ta sukumo mo no me le ta ka tu ne pa me ma te temi mo no awene so I select 12 of you, one man from each tribe. Pagitan ma pane pakhutara paganyon sikia, okay? Tadu taka ni lo, pentio dine to tisikolo. Bamnu ko le, paine tebra do. Pagitan mala tama ata therapa le ta otasuni lo, awene. Kalwa clone le, no tadu taka, pane sikia hutawa wili. No, they left and went off into the hill country and come to the village as is called and explore it. Panero pakro patu patala patamupo pakro sukumo oni teverala tai taklo tirpala tai pay sikolom do aweti kata do leto su kasagalo do lenelo isakola aklo do hukwa welo pane no pane hukwa we dera pane do pane pagitete mala talking with them son of the fruits of the land wagiter maktura with it do no ne pagitete mala ta tu ta sala ta ta clearness. They brought it down to us and report, it is a good land that the Lord our God is giving us. Pagiten ma talol agree man talawene. Pagiten ma wate le thora haki sowera tatu ta ba ti odine etu man. Penetera do hine ko atata le supu do haki su super odo haki su takatu do siwera tio ko le jua pakasahi lo pwane mi agilo de la panin le tano kuta ro pakro patu pata le pata omupu sikolo paini kisikuni ka tuta ro palo muni timile awati the pa pain rebel against the Lord sidane what the thoda ki we kasayua le de tamopu sikolo but you wills and willing to go up pagiteno mal and willing sidane what the tero le thoba no Basaro le toni tuthat uba do puto yua tikasa atakolo. Letanukura wetty the pani leto ataroba you rebelled against the command of the Lord your God. Penny Pictermano. Tora yua ataku dera penny. Basaro many penny kasaya katurani a wetty the dukanova. You grumbles in your tents and said, "The Lord hates us, so he brought us out of Egypt to deliver us into the hand of the Ammonites to destroy us." Penino awadi telo that tala katuadilo, do tu katukadi tala, tu depurosi. Me juata he poado do ha talk with pola akubutu abu di to akahilo poala poamo po supula akamahago poa agilo de penny. Okay, pakanyote the pani the pagdeta mala away the thing yan about data lo penny kissy corny katura poadilo 28 said, "Well, can we go? Our brothers have made us lose heart." They said, okay, they say, "The people are stronger and taller than we are. The cities are largest with wall up to the sky. We even saw the anarchists there." Penny away gentlemen, with the bleed out, put out a catura theme. Pelle todile, pegle todile, pedop wet upon do pipethalo, do see whether Pagomuni do ni poa do a not tony poat kilo, cool will ni do we do a could do per le munculo, do petiba sico pa anapu. Penilo, pana pun uwe penisicolo. Kissy queen negatura, then I said to you, "We run a yegatuda, do not be terrified, do not be afraid of them." Pagatena mala, we run a yegatuda with the dilo, the sibatu, bayutadaki, bleedadaki, they were penilo. 30 talk about little bit here. I want to read for you. "The Lord your God, who is going before you, will fight for you as he did for you in Egypt before your very eyes." No, learn make clip one, no, when it don't do it in it. That's negative, you are the sala. Ale tala tu menyane kadu tu le tu go di kaye tala amala tu go le akubutu apule tu menyalo le tano kudara pakropa tu patala taita kruhazo. 31 talk about here talking, "And in the desert there you saw how the Lord your God carries you as a father carry his son all the ways you want until you reach this plague." Pagiter malak akatermano error penny. Do pago pamugana penati le joie negasasona di apa so apu tu tirano. Apa so apu qua tu le clear le tu po do bunya tu hekile a lot pay law, but never theatre a lot pay law, but get my dinner to law. And then I go up a cropatu patala, but damu pay sicolo. 30 kinnick to wedile. 32 talk about little bit. "In spite of this, you did not trust in the Lord your God." Pagatanamala, Basaro, le tatamine agiclo, tu tanaba yuatikasaba, little mine agiclo. Pagdan wala pala kwa huta agiclo, hunetitanala, tikasaba, and do it in law. "Who went ahead of you on your journey, in fire by night and in a cloud by day, to such a place for you to come and to show you the way you should go." Pagdan wala tagi when it's sicola, Pakro patu patala, patamupu, le patala taki pu sicolo. Letano kudaro, pakro, patamupune, baba, quasemeda, dini sicolo. Okay? Letano kura pay, pagata mala, 30 katudara poala, type, le aleta, le timanyala, munala, me udi to aka. Pagata mala, did to akahuni to lo pet to katude. Do le musa le ta editu akadu ne tukle tani lo no awani pagitena mana kadu ne tukle ta The Thessalonian Katuta of Body. 31st talk about when the Lord heard what you said, he was angry and the Salonian swore. Okay. Panino Pakitana Mala Patamo Pune. When peck aside, do you are now who to take to a gludo at that hot do Suta do Siweda. There are Suta do Siweda. Not a man of this evil generation shall see the good land I swore to give your first father. Pagitera mala, Padaduni, the Tiba Wada, good land. Pagitera mata, Talota clearly agriba, pero depenelo, no? Tio call agri, Yesulo Yathala, Yakilo, Tupar Pani, Mima Pua, the su e, the Tiba Norgaba, Pua, the su e, the Tiba Norgaba, the penny. Okay, except, okay. Carbasan or Jehunias, he will see it, and I will give him, and his descendant the land he set his foot on. Because he followed the laws wholeheartedly. Wherefore you are a killer a term, no? Pero tema dinero de la pane. Pain it thus you could do that upon pay sickle. Katiba test so Napune Pukwa so Kali Nilo away ni Katiba or do ye kilo or le collar a yaw tiwe do a put a palo a giddy boy you are clear le popelo did up and wherefore you are clear le pope when it away Katiba way nilo. Paid up a get mala agatamini, Katuta of Pala Manutimile. Payne Katuverala, because of you, the Lord became angry with me also and said, you shall not enter it either. Pagateta Mala, Payne Somoshi, Anokasara, where you know about the do you are that Yala Tuku do Siweda, ne, but ne. Okay, the God angry Moses because of the crown, because of the Israel people, you know that Moses too cannot enter the land. When it sikolo, pain back your assistant, Joshua son of Nun, we entered it, encourage him because he will lead Israel to inherit it. Pane Joshua ni Pethinya sikola atamu ugelo, awake a backward twig you by slap with it palo. Pain it la meme saw no apokwa saw your shoe, le a settle nemenyadaga, away da kalenumba way, ba penny law, do suito agi barki, really, away da kadunitha or le isilalo, away da kadunitha or le israelalo. But Tiba le taita glukane sikolo. When it 39 talk about here, and the little ones that you said will be taken captive, your children who do not yet know good for bad, they will enter the land. I will give it to them, and they will take possession of it. But me learn a poor the part at the thing ya taba the pani. Galen bawelo. Bamnuleni through anything ya da or through me what the parlor at a ma. But at the Dukanaka Sayo Glutawa Hotaro. When Fitterland Baba. No two poo sailor, this sailor agato. Daguni do two poo. Thaler at a thing ya no patagi do ta a serpent. Mutanini, Galenumba penny. Do yaki lo or le tani do wetty the panic can ni. Tha. Welo, Bagden Mala Poti Pakani Thaki, where Tagi Taklukano, Copulo Party Pata Sutana, do Abasanaki, Kasaya Pavara Poti Pani, what it a clonomy of Basa, or what it Babalo. But as for use, turn around and set out towards the disaster along the roads, okay, along the road to the Red Sea. Little Kura Pathinya Paini, kasaya tera me thiwer pha I khag daki do ha super mugna police a clinic pagden ma awati edo okay they want to go back to Egypt this meaning about the God talking to them then you reply we have sinned against the Lord we will go up and fight pagden ma la phane devra as the Lord our God command us so everyone of you put on his weapon, thinking it easy to go up into the hill country. Panito, you know that this is Israelite talking to the Moses. Moses written everything, and then Moses talking back to them. Okay, when it betinya siko, do this is setado sebaya paka pak ma kama bali yuali pakle to do di que ye tala yua pa sa malo pa atone lo do tu ki tu yo de o do tu su ko we do tu no tu ta pa ke ba ta ba do tu ke le to le ke se ni lo the God says you cannot go mean don't go okay the God says you cannot go mean don't go you cannot enter me don't enter when you go you will die okay the God not with you remember that my friend my brother okay kasaya mitten a lene le kasaya mitten lergi mo leta na khuda ro ne me le ne ka ba ro okay na ta ka ba ma ti na lo khuda ro ne pasita la ta ke ta khlusi ko lo okay pay do pe ro te ta da mi le okay pe ke te na ma la ta o mu ta hu ta ke ti pa okay pay ni pe ke te ma pa ta o mu okay le pa ta hu ta ke ko Patau tage pune mitatamilo. Penny Luciki negatora dile. But the Lord said to me, tell them, do not go up and fight, because I will not be with you. You will be defeated by your enemy. Little Hudara. Kasa you at oro awetiba, aweti mille sikoni, aweti bata clockwe within it all, aweti bathinya within the long. Penny kisiki patinyala do yosibaya malu or le totagi do do tatagi agidi yet uba le tu klaba tu kabata clockwe ba putulu tu do tu da amenyalo kasaya mitena le dini le do okay kasaya mitena le dirgini le nurgi okay when it pakipatu patani sikolo sorry okay now pay the Bagdan Mala Lucy 30 in Katuda Parliament. Okay, Lucy 30 could I told you, but you would not listen. You rebel against the Lord's command and in your arrogant. You okay? Arrogant, you merchants up into the Bagdan Mala Payne. Okay, into the hill country. Bagdan Mala away. Do yakatu tara tu do tu the dugana bataba do tu puto you ataku do tu pasutuku do le tolle kasekalolo pasutuku Bagdan Mala nane lo ota siko tu me thinya lo da nane lo ota mano le tano kura pakrapatu pata sikolo okay the Ammonites who live in those hay can out against you. They chase you like a swan, us being and beat you down from Sears all the way to Homa. Okay. I want to packet the mala. No palmo pool, pane palmo pola o sula kasa. The plot alone had to get to the ludu. De when I can ne atone do kamahawa tulis. Sia perla humalo, I want to see a perla humalo. Nobody but thinya sikolo, you can bet and with before the Lord, but he paid no attention to your weeping and turned a deaf ear to you. Deep ear sit down a pola not okay, pola not to the pola not by a dividend. Dotuaki, dotu. Ho le jwa menya lo basa do jwa ta dukana ba tu glu do ta dukana le tu glu ba pagiten ma le ta dukana le tu glu ba okay kasa jwa ta dukana le tu glu ba Fellow Kidani, I'm so you stayed in Cadiz many days all the times you spend there. Okay, you spend there. Panela Bakitinyala, Rotuko Otusu Ani Athola Kadi Epu, Demunile to Otusu Atunelo. Let an Hutaro, Pakropatu Patala Batamupu. Okay. um Israelites, okay, they scary the Ammonites people, and then they don't want to go enter the promised land, and they're scary because the people are stronger, okay, the people are taller, okay, that's why they see the wall very tall, that's why they scary, okay, they don't want to go, but the God promised ready, but they don't listen. Later then they are punished by God. The God not going with them, whatever they are go fighting, the God not going with them. Okay, remember this, my friend, the God is watching you all the time. Don't do nothing you don't know. Okay, when the God tell you, God promises, God do it. The God not promise you, the God never do. Okay, remember that. Whatever you heard someone tell you, whatever someone say you, remember the God way say someone will come in you and tell you, the God tell me, okay, tell you this one you are become maybe a leader, you are become someone. This is the meaning about the right thing. Somebody coming, or you are the right leader. Sometimes people say like the wrong thing. The God never tell you you are not the right person. Thank you so much, my friend, my brother and sister. Read by yourself. Reading Bible, you will get more interested in your life, the Bible, okay, and then you are the good man later, okay. Remember that no one good in the world, but people are the people trying the best only. Thank you so much, my friends, my brother and sister. God bless you all, and God bless you family too. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.